Yeah, so last week the General Assembly actually adjourned, but they only adjourned for a few weeks. They're coming back in mid-November, but they formally passed an adjournment resolution, so they have adjourned part of the session. When they come back in November, they've limited themselves to only dealing with conference reports and congressional map. They may need to come back and redraw congressional maps, so they're limited to that. In the adjournment resolution, they also said once they adjourn the November session, then they'll likely come back in January, where they may deal with veto overrides and budget items. Yeah, so the Farm Act, you'll remember we do have a signed conference report. The conferees from the Senate and the House both signed and filed in their respective houses. The Senate passed their Farm Act. I believe the vote was 40-10. So that, a good solid bipartisan vote in the Senate on the conference report for the Farm Act. The House has yet to take a vote. There has become a hiccup related to one provision of the Farm Act that we've not talked much about, but it's related to the definition of agritourism and the inclusion of shooting sports activities in the definition of agritourism. There's some concern with some House members on the lack of oversight by county commissioners on those shooting sports activities if they're defined as agritourism. So the House has yet to take a vote. I don't know yet what the resolution would be on that particular issue, but discussions will continue to be had. There's the possibility that the House could vote on the conference report in November, and if not then, likely in January. The bill will continue to be eligible throughout the rest of this session as well as the short session for next year.